Couple disclaimers before we get into the video. Obviously, we are not your financial advisor, and any information in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute advice. Hey, it's Ryan from the Dividend Investors Club, and this is a 2-minute trade idea where I give my 2 cents on a stock in 2 minutes. And today we're going to continue our 10 dividend stocks to buy now series. Thanks to the sell-off, there are still a lot of good stocks on sale, and one sector that we've been focusing on is the energy and MLP space. It is in a downtrend, but there are a lot of values in this space, and we're going to talk about Magellan Midstream today, which is one of my favorite MLPs. And again, we can't ignore the sector. Very juicy yields, and a lot of the stocks look like this, in the sector. They've kind of sold off here. You can see, part of this is the correction we had. Part of it's, oil price related and general softness, in the industry. But you can see the sell off here. But what I like about this stock technically is, we're right around this kind of $65 resistance, right? It's kind of tested that area twice and it's held, and we're kind of down there again. We're just below 66, which correlates nicely with our buy zone at 63 to 66. You can see right here. So we're in the buy zone as of today, and it's a great dividend stock. It has a 10 ranking, and that's because it has a 5.6% yield. So this is a very high yielder, and unlike a lot of the MLPs, this one's been raising its dividend for 17 years now, and it actually raises it every quarter, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But this is a high yielding stock trading at a great value, and that's why I like it. So we can take a look just down here. You can see it's been very consistent. These MLPs tend to be very consistent. I think they've shown in the past few years that they are susceptible to changes in oil prices. So we do have to keep that in mind. But I do think this part of the cycle, you got to be in MLPs because there is significant upside, I think, with these stocks. And you can kind of see where we were. We're down towards that support, and I think we are going to bounce from there. So you're going to get a very high yielding stock with upside. I think that's a big reason to be in MLPs, and that's a big reason why I like MMP. But you can kind of see what I'm talking about right here. Been very consistent on the earnings front, and from a valuation standpoint, trading at a significant discount to all its historical multiples. And look, this is a stock that's normally this last line here, dividend yield. It's trading at a premium to what its historical average has been. So it's been about a 4% dividend payer. We're getting 5.6% right now if we get into this stock. So that's another reason why I like it. And you can look right here, this dividend history. I mean, this is just amazing, right? I love these stocks that raise their dividend every single quarter. I mean, that is the epitome of a dividend growth stock. So I think this is a great stock at a great value. It's proven that it's a good dividend payer over time, and it raises its dividend every quarter. We're getting a 5.6% yield with upside. That's my 2 cents on MMP, and I like it. I think we all know that the stock market can be a scary place, especially if you're trying to go at it alone, but you don't have to do it. You don't have to be there alone. At the Dividend Investors Club, it's community investors. We're working together to grow and preserve our wealth. So if you like this video, please check us out at dividendinvestorsclub.com. Consider joining the club and joining us, and definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Take care.